Guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are getting our Swift custom with some fittings. So we are at Auto Wraps. So the address of the shop will be given in the description. So let's see what and all fittings we have done. So this is the side beading of the car. Comes with dual tone with the Swift name. And here I have installed a chrome beading from the front window line to the back. It adds some premium feel to the car. And here is the rain visor with the chrome accents. It also puts some premium look to your car. And let's go to the interiors. You can see the flooring is done. Get nice stitched flooring. So guys, let's wait and watch till all the fittings are done. So guys, I'm back with the fittings done. So I might have told you some fittings before, so don't mind me if I'm repeating again. I'm going to tell you with the cost now. So this is the side beading, which is dual tone with silver and black finish with a Swift name. This thing cost you around 1500 for me. I've installed door guards. Cost you around 100 to 150 rupees. And I've installed chrome blinds from the front window to the back window. This cost me around 800 rupees. And this is the door visor with the silver line or the chrome line. This thing cost me around 1500. So guys, this thing and this thing gives a premium look to your car. You can see how it looks. It looks really nice on this car. And so guys, let's go to the interiors and see what all I have installed. So this is the seat cover which I installed, which matches the car's color. This material is almost leather, 90% leather they call it as. It is slightly different from Napa leather. It looks like pure leather only. It is 90% leather. This seat cover cost me around 12,000, which is really good in quality. The person who installed has given 8 years of guarantee. It really looks dope. You can see the back seats. I've got it done with nice premium stitches. And this is the flooring of the car. This is not a matte, this is leather finished. You can see the same premium stitches. It comes all around the car. You can see here. Let's see in the back also. It is completely filled, even under the seats. This flooring mats cost me around 2000 rupees only. It is very cheap. I guess it will be high priced, but this is very cheap indeed. See the seat covers. And guys, I've also installed window tints called as sun films also. I know this should not be installed as of government rules, but yet I've installed because of the sun. You can't bear the heat inside and you don't get nice cooling inside the car. That's the main reason I've installed this. But doesn't seem as you have installed the sun films. And so guys, as today we saw all the accessories which are fitted. These are the basic accessories which are needed for this car. to look it decently premium. You can see it looks premium enough for an hatchback. So if you have this car, please make sure to do this thing to your car also, and you can add your more fittings according to your taste. So this is what I've installed. And so guys, if you like the video, please make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more such interesting videos. And stay tuned till I catch up in the next video. Bye bye.